Good day, Ma'am Jenny. My name is Christian Bagao, and today I will be presenting my project for IT7L, Human-Computer Interaction. The project is called InfoChan, a library information system developed for the University of Mindanao Ilang High School Library. This system focuses on one core process, allowing students to borrow books efficiently and digitally. A quick background of this system. The project was born out of a real need. UM Ilang High School Library currently relies on manual methods, paper logs, and stock cards to manage their book inventory. This is allowed to have a slow, error-prone, and frustrating for both students and library staff. InfoChan was designed to fix that. Its purpose is to replace manual book tracking with an automated, real-time system. The primary users are students, librarians, and library clerks. It runs as a desktop-based platform with a real-time dashboard and accessibility features built in. The objectives are clear: automate borrowing and returning, provide real-time monitoring, reduce errors, and ultimately improve the overall library experience for everyone. The client for this system is Ilang High School Library. They serve students between 13 and 17 years old and focus on providing quality academic resources. However, their current system has three major issues. They rely on manual stock cards and paper logs. Book transfers are inefficient, and there is no real-time visibility into which books are available, which directly leads to missed student access. The key stakeholders involved are the library clerks, librarians, library directors, IT support staff, and of course, the student themselves. To address these problems, I developed InfoChan, an integrated library information system. The system provides real-time book availability alerts, a user-friendly dashboard tailored for each role, and fully automates the borrowing and returning process. It also includes accessibility features like light mode, dark mode. During design, I considered two alternatives. Design 1 is using a simple form layout, clean and easily to build, but limited in visual appeal and lacking a system overview. In the design 2, it uses card-based dashboard layout, modern, organized, and more engaging for users. Based on evaluator feedback, Design 2 was selected as the final design direction. This project taught us several important lessons. First, user-friendly interfaces matter greatly, especially when your users have varying levels of technical experience. Second, accessibility and error prevention must be built into the design from the start, not added later. Prototyping was evaluable. It was only through testing both designs that we confirmed which is the design 2. It was the better choice tested by the evaluator. User feedback directly shaped the final product, and finally, interviewing stakeholders early on gave us a much deeper understanding of actual problems. So, hello ma'am, this is my prototype high fidelity InfoChan, a library information system specifically in borrowing book. So In this user interface, you can see the sidebar, the logo, the name of the system, uh, dashboard, borrow book, my request, and notification. So, features. The student can click this featured book, then he or she can scroll down. As you can see, he can search a book, see different genre of the book, fictional, educational, for kids. And at the last part, he or she can view books, different kind of books like this. So we will go to the main process of adding a book or borrowing a book. So the student can borrow a book by clicking this cards. So in this borrow book section, you can see the book title, the publisher of the book, the edition of the book, the ISBN book of the book, the author of the book, and the different genre of the book. So this is the book entitled A Game of Thrones. So when he or she click this request, he or she will definitely go to the confirmation dialog, which is confirm borrow request. The requested book will be confirmed by the admin of the library or the librarian itself. So when he borrowed the book Game of Thrones, so she confirm it. So it will pop up the request sent dialog. So it said that your borrow request has been submitted to the librarian for review. So the librarian or the admin will check the book he or she borrowed. So when he borrowed the book, he can also view the requested book at the request section. So when he click the view my request, he will actually go to the request book section, which is he or she can view all the books that is pending for approval, rejected, or approved by the admin or the librarian. You can also view the recent book he returned. So this section pending approval of the book Game of Thrones. So let's view the book he request. So this is the book he or she requested. The description of the book, reviews, availability. You can see all the book information in this area. So the description of the book, the Game of Thrones. This point, he can also borrow the book. So let's go to the a part of rejected by the admin. So if the book has been rejected, he can research any kind of book you want. So when he click the search book at the search bar button, it will actually pop up again. You can select filters like science, technology, psychology, and history of the book genre, then reviews and availability of the book. So if the book has been approved by the admin, it will turn the book has been approved by the admin, he or she can turn back before the due date. So here you can see return book, return this book. Click return and there is a message dialog book return. And the book has been updated. View requested book has been updated. Then can also search here at the search bar button, search bar field. Can also view different kind of genre of the book, fictional, educational, for kids. Here, as you can see, the title of the book, the author, and so on. Then can also view books and he or she can borrow it. You can see the book being borrowed here. Can also click these top right buttons, fields, and trends, new and trends. Can also get the notification by clicking the notification button at the sidebar. So in this area, he or she can view the borrow history, the request history, and the date of return of the book he or she borrowed. And that's it. The system also built an AI which is emerging technologies. So this is Chan AI for the Library Information System AI, which help students to have a better experience in the library information system. In Hibaru book, you can also turn into a dark mode.
Optional domain. Okay, one
Yes, and that's it. This is InfoChan, a library information system specifically in borrowing books.